and I am here to teach you about proper nutrition and the process of digestion. I am sure we're all familiar with the term, you are what you eat. The quote is lighthearted and often used comically, but the idea that our bodies functioning properly and effectively is based on what we consume is very true. Nutrition is defined as the sum of all of the processes by which food enters and is utilized by the body, according to the Gale Encyclopedia of Public Health. A seemingly simple definition for a complex process that occurs daily in each and every one of us. Access to nutrition knowledge became vitally important to me in 2015. I began my very own journey to acquire better internal health and a stronger physical physique. Changing my fitness and nutrition habits played the two most significant roles in my journey. Nutrition is a chemical breakdown of the digestion system. In order to effectively educate the public about nutrition, the process must be broken down in a way that more generally makes sense. Here's the process. Good nutrition starts with the way our bodies digest food. So, what is digestion? Digestion is the way the body receives and utilizes the food. Digestion begins with the mouth, chewing and swallowing. Inside the mouth, food is softened by saliva. Saliva contains acidic enzymes which further help to break down the food. From food to waste. The acids released in the stomach break food down from larger particles to smaller molecules, which create a substance referred to as chyme. When chyme is broken down into its smallest form, it is then sent through the bloodstream to be absorbed as nutrients for the body. How does your body respond? The nutrients your body needs for healthy digestion are comprised of carbohydrates, fats, and proteins, and are measured in calories. Calories are used by the body to regulate body temperature, to rebuild and build structures, to move and to think, and many, many more. The body is made up of mostly water and needs much more water than it does food. Water is used to maintain the temperature of the body, send and receive nutrients, to regulate hormones, and finally, to rid the body of toxins. These are some recommendations to ensure a healthy balance of nutrients. The recommendations vary between men and women, but the average caloric intake for body maintenance is about 2,000 calories. And here's the breakdown. Carbohydrates should account for about 45 to 65%, proteins 15 to 35%, and fats 30%. Nutritious complex carbs can be found in grains, vegetables, nuts, and seeds, and are used to produce energy. Protein is found in lean meat, some dairy products, as well as plants, and are used for a variety of bodily functions: healthy skin, healthy hair and nails, brain functions, and muscular development. Fats, which are most commonly associated negatively, are also essential for proper bodily function. Healthy fats produce fatty acids, which protect the body against disease. It is important to make thoughtful choices when considering your food. More naturally occurring, less processed foods are much better choices for proper digestion, nutrition, and health. Foods that are heavily processed are filled with sugars, bad fats, and useless calories, and can be linked to cancers, cardiovascular disorders, and other heart and blood complications, according to the JAMA Internal Medicine. Chemical additives and the industrial processing that alters the cellular structure of foods both play a role and have been linked directly to diabetes. Having an understanding and an appreciation for the way food affects our body, from the breakdown to the cell turnover, can prevent or reduce disease and illness in the body. When we understand what nutrition really is, we can be excited about caring for our bodies. Our bodies are machines fueled by proper nutrition. What we should eat, what our food should include or exclude, and who should decide and are all directly impacted by the scientific findings linking good nutrition to good health. Thank you.